Hi, everybody. It's me again. And today we're going to talk about collabs. So let's get started. So today I'm going to cover my beautiful face. Actually, I'll put this down here for now. Today we're going to talk about characterization, sensory, and emotional recall a little bit. We are going to upload a photo and post a written introduction, as well as respond to others in their similar posts. As always, we turn off our cameras, we put mute on, we do our check-in. And today's question is, what do you like to do to relax and why? So our Canvas Basics lessons for today is going to be the collaboration tab, how to edit, edit etiquette, and consequences of misbehavior for collaborations. So normally you would be using this collaborations tab. We're not using that tab. We are using modules. So there may be some other classes where your teachers say collaborate and they mean the collaboration tab. So I don't want you to be confused. The reason we're not using it is because originally I did use it and that's how I made these. But for whatever reason, now that we've changed courses in Canvas, I can't access it in the tab. I can access it here and still use the document, but I can't access the tab. So we're just not going to use the tab. It's not a problem. So what we're going to call these collaboration tabs are green rooms. So there's going to be a page. It's called What is a Green Room? And it's going to explain to you what a green room is. I am currently working on some fancy Bitmoji stuff, so to make this much more beautiful. But since I try and make these videos a day in advance, it is not currently as gorgeous as I plan on it being tomorrow. So a green room is a space in a theater that is like a waiting room. So you would go in there and you would hang out, you would study your script, you would be with your friends. Usually there's like a couch and a place to put on your stage makeup. Your costumes are in there. It's kind of like a dressing room and a changing room and a waiting room all rolled into one, depending on how big your space is. If it's a fancy theater, all of those rooms are different rooms. Fannin, all that room is my classroom and sometimes off stage and sometimes the bathroom. So green rooms typically have places to sit. It is, like I said, usually like soft couches and stuff to relax. The reason we would use a green room in theater would be to wait for your show. So you want to get there early because early is on time and on time is late. And if you make the show late, the stage manager will kill you. If you don't know what a stage manager is, you're gonna soon. The stage managers, they're like the boss that reports to the big boss, and the big boss would be the director, which is me. So that's basically what it is. It's kind of like the team leader. And you go in this room and you kind of hang out in this room and you wait for your show to start. You can eat, you usually eat food in here, like you would eat dinner while you wait for your show. This is like where you would put your flowers and stuff or gifts, like if you got gifts from your family or somebody who came to see your show. This is, it's a place that it's like a home away from home. That's about as detailed as my explanation is going to be able to get. Calling them. I said all that just to tell you that's what we're calling them. Now, when you go to the green room, it's going to ask you to load in a new window, but it's going to ask you to log in. The login is the same login that you've been using, all right? That would be your ID number. At gpisdstu for student.org. anytime you log into Google, Google Apps, Google Docs, Google whatever, it's going to have the STU on it, all right? The password is going to be your information. So if my name is Mary Ann, it's not, but if it was, Saldivar, now I'm gonna spell wrong. I don't know. That's the way I spell it. That's my parents' name. Just, okay, whatever. My password would be M-A for Mary, and then the year I was born, and then S-A, Saldivar, and then the day I was born, okay? So that would be my username and my password. If I had two last names, it's still gonna be the first one. Now, if you try to do it with your first one and you've checked it and it's still not working, try the other name. Sometimes it happens like that. If you are logging in, it's not working, check this part, because I know a lot of times people forget the dot before org, or they'll write .com, or sometimes they write Gmail by accident. I've done that. So just, you know, just check, make sure the ID number's right, make sure all of the things are right, and that's how you're going to log in. Okay. So when I log in, it might ask me to authorize, it'd be a green button. It would say login like failed or unsatisfied, you need to authorize. You're going to press the green authorize button, and that's where you're going to log in. So you're going to log in just the way I just showed you. Once you're in your green room, it is very important that you do not delete anything that you did not write, okay? You are not going to delete other people's work. You're not going to delete things just because you don't like it. If a group is full and you want to be in that group, and I find out that you edited the document and deleted someone's name off of it, you and I and your parents and the admin are going to have a very, very serious Zoom meeting that is not going to be fun for you. This is one of those problems that we talked about, that if you can't solve, that I'm going to have to solve. You do not want me to have to solve this problem. Do we understand each other? I hope so. This is where we're going to sign up for small groups. All communications will be respectful and school appropriate. There will be no cursing. There will not be profanity. You will not bully on this document, or again, very serious Zoom meeting. Okay. So small groups. For any of you who have had me previously, you know that I have color-coded the tables. So we have red table. I guess I could walk you around. We have tables, and they're color-coded. They're color-coded by the rainbow because I like the rainbow. It's legit. This is a red table. It seats 6. It's red. This is a yellow table. It seats 6. This would be green table. This is blue table. This is purple table. And just special for you guys online, we needed a pink table because I did not like that the table only had 5 options. So this is going to be pink paint table. The paint table has color now, and it's pink. If we end up with more students and we need more tables, I got some reject tables in the back. We'll give them colors too. Let's say cyan and orange. How about that? Those are good colors? I don't know. We'll vote on it. All right. So you're going to sign up. Now, when we return in September or 48 years from now, whenever we're back in real life, whatever group you're signed up for, your table, that's where you're going to sit when we first come back. That doesn't mean you're going to stay there, but that way when you get here, you'll know that's my table, that's my group. I know who I'm working with. You may not have ever met them before, but you will know them and you will know how they work, and that will be helpful. So again, we're gonna have table signups, and that's all that's on here right now. Now all this space at the bottom, y'all can talk. You can just say, hey, love you, yellow table, you're legit. You know what I mean? And that's where we're gonna collaborate. So you can do group tasks, you can just chat, but if you abuse it, you shall lose it. And you don't want to lose it, okay? I want to give you this beautiful gift, all right? Again, our rules: do not delete anything that you personally did not write, all right? You're gonna sign up, but that does not mean that you will necessarily get to keep what you signed up for, okay? All communication must be respectful and school appropriate. Remember, we're going over respectful in painful detail. No profanity. That includes emojis, pictures, and GIFs, or GIFs, or however you say it. All right? I'm watching you. I know how you work, you teenage children, you. Parent, administrator, teacher, and student conferences will happen if you mess with this, and you will lose it. Okay? This is a big deal. I need you to respect it. I need you to understand that this is a gift I am giving to you, not a right. That will be your lesson for today on collaboration. Your work together assignments lesson in your week 1 page for Wednesday is going to be create your life as a movie. Now, this is in the discussions tab. You can, again, click this right here and it will take you there, or you can click the word discussions on the side. You're going to create your life as a movie, and you're going to answer these questions on the side in the chat. Now, you don't have to make a poster. I don't know if you noticed in these first 2 days of school, but I'm extra, like real extra. So you don't have to do that. You can just answer the questions. It's 3 questions, be specific, put it, you hit the reply, type it in the text box, good to go. You want to add pictures of your actors and stuff like that, please feel free to do that. I love that. I love that. And you've got all kinds of stuff on your iPad, like drawing apps and stuff, and that'll be really fun. But again, not mandatory, simply extra. I need that on a shirt or a mask. Simply extra. All right. And I look forward to seeing you, and I hope this was helpful. Again, do not delete it if it's not yours. I love you. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.